Dear CA Intermediate students, I am very happy to announce we are coming out with free video lectures for 3 subjects of CA Intermediate: Accounts of Group 1, Advanced Accounting, Group 2, Financial Management and Economics for Finance for Group 2. For Accounts Advanced Accounting FM Eco, regular lectures are available, covering in depth your entire syllabus, question answer, lot of practice in the classroom itself. And one more thing, for FM we have also got the revision lectures available that will also be provided to you free of cost. The students have to pay only for the books, the courier charges, administration cost and the serial key and the technical support that we provide to you in the beginning and throughout your process of learning. If you have any doubt on any topic of accounts, advanced account, FM or Eco, you can always contact me on my mail ID or on the WhatsApp number given to you. So please do not delay, take the benefit of this and you will really be benefited. Trust me, you will be really benefited from this lecture. These are very high quality lecture covering in depth your entire syllabus. Some topics of intermediate are very complex and they have been handled very nicely, like topics on amalgamation, internal reconstruction, consolidation. In FM, all topics are covered in detail. I can assure you nobody will cover FM in so much detail the way I have covered topics like capital budgeting, dividend policy, capital structure, cost of capital, time value of money, working capital. They have been covered in adequate depth. So much that if you do it properly, you are going to get exemption even more than that in your exam very easily. So dear intermediate students, please share this message to with all your friends who are in different parts of the country. During these difficult times, we at AS Foundation are trying to help the maximum number of students possible. High quality video lecture, updated notes, detailed guideline, post-sale service we are providing at a very low price so that maximum people can afford and they can pass the exam. The objective is that you must pass the exam. For that you need a very high quality, very good quality material, the teaching and the concept clarity. The feedback that I have got from our past student is amazing. They are really happy with all the products that we are offering. So do not delay and place the order on our website www.vino.in. If you have any query, you can call on our office number which is given to you. Thank you very much. All the best.